Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm recording this video on 12th of June 2017. I had received some emails asking about what charting platform I use, so I thought I will make a quick video to show you what program I use. So as you can see, it's a free program called freestockcharts.com. It's a free chart software, and you can just go in there and put any chart you want. For example, I can put Apple, I can see Apple chart, I can put Google, I can see Google chart, and so on and so forth. Tesla, for example. Okay, so I hope that's useful. And I also wanted to quickly touch upon the videos that I've produced so far. I've analyzed different markets and charts, rather stocks. You can see Berkshire here and Tesla, Apple, and then most charts actually. Moodys Corporation, Allstate, and you can see Apple follow videos. You can also see a SPY chart here, and also Goldman Sachs, and then general S&P market, S&P 500. So today I wanted to make this video as a combination of all these stocks that I've analyzed in the past. So I wanted to quickly go through them one by one and see if I can provide you with an update that will be useful to you. All right, let's get started. All right, right now you have the Tesla chart in front of you. So this is a daily chart, and today is, like I mentioned, it's 12th of June, and last Friday the markets kind of tanked a lot, technology stocks specifically, Nasdaq. And today it seemed to be a decent day, I would say. Even though mainstream media was reporting that technology stocks again tanked late in the evening today, but I don't believe that is the case. I think the stocks have stopped tanking, for the lack of a better word. It's not a very positive day. As you can see, it's a doji in candlestick terminology, which means the market is not indecisive, that is. It's either it's not going up or going down. It's kind of like thinking there. So Tesla, I think it looks pretty good. I got in this stock at 307. It's 359 today, and I'm still long. And let's look at Apple. Apple, I asked, recommended others to just check this chart and make their own decisions. But I had given some inputs that it was coming out of this triangle pattern and it was going up, and it's got more places to go up north. But unfortunately, the stock turned around and it kind of came down. And I also have to understand that this line is a very important resistance area, 27% extension. So that typically proves to be a tough place to get through. And Apple stock obviously didn't have an opportunity to go past that, and it basically turned around. But I haven't gotten out of this trade yet because I still think that Apple is in a good shape. I mean, even though it came out of the earlier area that I had designated as a mental stop loss, even though it came below that, I don't think it's still not a bad idea to be inside the stock, meaning being long. I'm still long, and today's price action has proven to be a good one, because you can see a very decisive hammer pattern, which typically would mean that the bottom has been found. So that has to get confirmed though. I mean, tomorrow we will see if it gets confirmed, and we'll go from there. And next chart is Berkshire. Berkshire, I've been long for a while, and I'd also mentioned that there is a Elliott Wave pattern, and we are in the third pattern, that is third wave. And I think I still am, being correct in my analysis with the Berkshire. It's been like I think I mentioned this pattern when it was somewhere here. I think 166 it was. Now it's $174. It's gone up. So far so good with Berkshire. And Allstate was another stock I had mentioned in my videos, and I think I mentioned it when it was somewhere around this area, like 84 area, and it's been going up, and good. So far so good. Moodys Corporation was another stock, and I actually had talked about this video when it was here somewhere 115 or so. I had mentioned that it would come down to this blue line and then it'll be mostly supported and then it'll go up from there. And needless to say, that's exactly what happened, and it's been going up and it's now turning down. But I think this is again a good candle pattern. Most likely it has found its bottom and it's going to mostly go up and in its way to 120 or so. And what else did I miss? I'm just quickly trying to see if there is anything else that I talked about in my videos that I would like to review. Okay, let me just quickly look at the general markets, S&P 500. Let's start with S&P 500. Okay, let me just type it correctly. Okay, the general S&P market is not in any bad shape or situation where we have to be fearful, even though the mainstream media is like talking about market crashing and all that. I do not see anything really bad going on. Obviously it's not going up, meaning the last couple of days it's been sideways action, but I don't still think that it is in a danger territory, at least as of yet that I can see. In fact, the market could come down a little bit more to rest on the 27% extension, and that will act as a support this time, and it will be on its way to the next level, which is 2600. Let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, again, same situation like S&P, even though it had 36 points in the negative territory today. I don't think it is still in any dangerous situation. Last but not least, Nasdaq Composite Index. Nasdaq, obviously, compared to the other two indices, had a little bit of a severe day on Friday. You can see that with this blue, I mean not black candle, big black candle that is, and then again you can see a good hammer looking pattern, which probably indicates that the worst is over, and tomorrow's price action will confirm that. If the price is going to trade higher and close higher, then Nasdaq can be considered to be in good shape, and it's going to be continuing its journey up north. Okay, so that's all I got for you today, guys, and thank you so much for watching this, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you. Take care.